This is my best character. This is my best skill. This is my best expression. Please choose one alphabet and then go to it.
Or just compare. So I know what exactly what all of you would be feeling now. So to make it really interesting, you have to coordinate with me. For that, if you agree with me, what you have to do is this. Okay, this thumbs up. And if you don't agree with me, what you have to do is okay. Understood? Understood?
So, hello everyone. Hello. Hello. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
For sure. Okay. Thumbs up. Thumbs up for?
Yes.
Thumbs
Yes.
up for? Thumbs up for? Understood. Go, good to go. Right? And if you don't understand what is the basic, please. So I'd like one volunteer who can rate this one for me. Anybody? Anybody who is? Please. Can you please do that? What's your name?
Nidhi.
Nidhi.
Personality has power to uplift, power to depress, power to curse, and power to bless.
Your personality has the power to uplift yourself and it can depress you as you can. Right? And it can bless you, it can curse you. It totally depends upon your attitude. How are you going to create your personality and how are you going to create an impact on the audience? Right? Agreed? How many of you agree with that? Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, as I've introduced myself, my name is Abhishek and I have an experience of working with people like you. But for the very same purpose, what actually personality is, I've used that quote, what actually creates, what actually symbolizes a persona. Anybody would like to give their credentials? आप में से जो भी बताना चाहे कि पर्सनालिटी के बेसिक ट्रेड्स क्या होते हैं, आप पर्सनालिटी वर्ड से क्या समझते हैं? Anybody? Please raise your hand. Because I'll be needing volunteers. यहाँ मैं लेक्चर देने के पर्पस से बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ. So let's make it an interactive system. So anybody would like to incorporate their views about what actually personality is? एक personality, एक general exposure होता क्या है? Anybody? Please. What's your name?
Bhavya.
Bhavya. Yes, Bhavya.
So in my opinion, I think personality is the basic idea of personality is what is your attitude
Yes.
towards people and also how you reflect yourself.
Okay, that's really great. Anybody else? Yes.
Well, characteristics of a person.
Characteristics of your person. Great. Anybody else? So I would like to conclude. Okay, there's one more.
How you respond to situation.
How do you respond to a situation? Great. So I'd like to conclude about what actually the general persona of a person is. It is totally dependent upon your percepts. First, the moment you're interacting, the moment you're seeing, observing something, or you're into any situation, first thing that comes into your mind is from your five senses. You can perceive the situation from your five senses, and then your brain will process that. And you're supposed to be training your brain how to behave, how to respond to a particular situation, right? So, in general persona of a person is reflective of the basic indicators of the general percepts how do you perceive a particular situation and respond to that stimuli on the very same time. This is the basic, the precise most words about persona, as per of my view, right? So, to highlight the general personality traits, we have number of tests as well, and we'll be starting with that in the upcoming session. So, for the continuation of the segment, I'd like to call upon a person from the interesting, interactive, innovative. Very good, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. So, Rahul, which letter will you choose?
Interactive.